Hello, myself Himani Sharma from RPIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the blood composition and function. First is the introduction. The normal pH range of blood is the 7.35 to 7.45, which is slightly alkaline. The venous blood normally has a lower pH than the arterial blood because of presence of the more carbon dioxide. The temperature of the blood is 38 degrees Celsius and about 1 degree than oral or the rectal body temperature. Next is the viscosity. Viscosity means the thickness or resistance to flow. Blood is about 3 to 5 times denser and more viscous than water and feel slightly sticky. Viscosity is increased by the presence of the blood cells and plasma protein. This thickness contributes to normal blood pressure. The color of the blood varies with its oxygen content. Arterial blood is the bright red due to its high level of the oxygen. Venous blood has given up much of its oxygen and in tissue and thus has a darker dull red color. Amount blood constitutes about the 20% of extracellular fluid amounting to 8% of the total body mass. The blood volume is 5 liter to 6 liter in average size adult male and 4 liter to 5 liter in an average sized adult female. Composition white, there are the whole blood 8%, other fluids and tissues are the 92% of the body weight. Plasma, blood plasma is the 55%, formed element are the 45% in volume, and protein have the 7%, water is 91.5%. Other solutes are the 1.5%, platelets is the 1 lakh 50,000 to 4 lakh. White blood cells normal are the 5,000 to the 10,000. Formed elements are the number per microliter. Albumin have the 54%, globulin is a 38%, fibrinogen is 7%, all other are the 1%. Electrolyte nutrients, gases, regulatory substance, waste product, neutrophils about 60 to 70% and the lymphocytes are the 20 to 25%, monocytes are the 3 to 5% and eosinophils are the 2 to 4% and basophils are 0.5 to 10% in the white blood cells and volume. There are the compositions of the blood. Plasma, when formed, element are the removed from blood. A straw color of liquid called the blood plasma and is left. The table below describes the chemical composition of blood plasma. There are water 91.5%, liquid portion of blood act as the solvent and suspending medium for the component of blood absorb, transport and release of heat. Plasma protein 7.0% exert the colloidal osmotic pressure which help maintain water balance between blood and tissue and regulate the blood volume. Albumin, smallest and the most numerous blood plasma protein produced by liver, transport the protein for several steroid hormone and for fatty acids. Globulins are produced by the liver and the plasma cells which develop from the beta lymphocytes, antibodies which help attack the viruses and the bacteria. Alpha and beta globulins transport the iron and lipids and fat soluble vitamins. Fibrinogens product they are produced by the liver and play the essential role in the blood clotting. In today's class I discuss about the various composition of the blood and their introduction. Thank you for watching.